Have you ever considered the possibility that there might be another version of you out there in a parallel universe? Imagine, if you will, a reality where every decision you've ever made, every path you've ever taken, has an alternative. A reality where the choices you didn't make have been made by another version of you. This isn't a mere flight of fancy, but a concept that has been contemplated by some of the greatest minds in theoretical physics. A universe that mirrors ours, yet is distinctly different. A universe where your alternate self could be living a life completely different from yours, or perhaps eerily similar. Just think about it. Somewhere out there, could there be a version of you who followed a different career path, or perhaps made different choices in relationships? How would their life be different from yours? If this question piques your curiosity, stay tuned as we delve into the concept of parallel universes. So, what exactly is a parallel universe? The concept can be a little head-spinning, but let's try and boil it down. At its simplest, a parallel universe is a hypothetical, self-contained reality that exists in tandem with our own. Picture it as a distinct bubble of existence floating alongside countless others in an endless cosmic soup. When we talk about parallel universes, we're not talking about distant galaxies or far-off corners of our own universe. Instead, we're imagining entirely separate realities, each with its own unique version of space and time, each running in parallel to our own, but never intersecting. This idea has been a staple of science fiction for as long as the genre has existed. It's a concept that has allowed authors and filmmakers to explore alternative histories, alien worlds, and even mirror images of our own society. Think of every what-if scenario you've ever imagined. In a parallel universe, that scenario is playing out. However, it's not just the realm of science fiction. The idea of parallel universes has also been considered in various scientific theories. Quantum mechanics, the science that deals with the smallest particles in the universe, suggests that every decision, every event that has multiple possible outcomes, could create a split in reality, a branch where each outcome happens in its own separate universe. Cosmologists, too, have pondered the existence of parallel universes. They've considered whether the universe we see, with its specific laws of physics, might just be one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of rules. But remember, these are just theories. Despite the fascinating speculation, there's still no definitive proof that parallel universes exist. However, the fact that they're even considered as a possibility by serious scientists shows just how incredible and mysterious our universe, or perhaps universes, truly are. In essence, a parallel universe is a mirror image of our own, with its own laws of physics, its own history, and perhaps even its own version of you. But what does science have to say about this theory? Well, let's take a moment to dive into the scientific theories that underpin the concept of parallel universes. The notion of parallel universes is not just a figment of our imagination or a product of science fiction. In fact, it is deeply rooted in theoretical physics, with two significant theories leading the charge: the multiverse theory in quantum physics, and the parallel universe concept in string theory. The multiverse theory, as the name suggests, proposes the existence of multiple universes. It stems from the fascinating world of quantum mechanics, a theory that deals with particles at the tiniest scales. According to this theory, every decision we make could potentially create an alternate universe. Picture a tree branching out in countless directions, each branch representing a different outcome. On the other hand, we have string theory. This theory replaces point-like particles with one-dimensional strings. These strings vibrate at different frequencies, and these vibrations are what we perceive as different types of particles. In string theory, our universe is just one of many, existing on a membrane in higher dimensional space. Now, it's important to remember that these are just theories. As of now, they're not proven. They're mathematical models, intriguing ideas that help us explore the universe's mysteries. They're tools that scientists use to better understand the cosmos and its workings. However, these theories aren't dismissed as mere conjecture. They're taken seriously by some of the most brilliant minds in the scientific community. These scientists believe that these theories might hold the key to understanding the fundamental nature of our reality. So, while the thought of parallel universes might seem like it's been plucked straight from a science fiction novel, it's very much a subject of serious scientific discourse. The possibilities are endless, and the implications are mind-boggling. While these theories might seem like science fiction, they are actually considered by some of the brightest minds in the scientific community. What could be the implications of the existence of parallel universes? Let's dive into this thought-provoking question together. The first thing that often comes to mind is the possibility of infinite versions of ourselves. In a multiverse, for every decision you make, there's another universe where you made a different choice. You could be a world leader in one, a renowned scientist in another, or perhaps an artist whose work is celebrated globally. The versions of you are as diverse as your imagination allows. This concept, however, raises a challenging question about destiny and free will. If there are infinite versions of us, then is our fate already sealed in some other universe? Or do we truly have the freedom to make our own choices? It's a philosophical conundrum that has intrigued thinkers for centuries. Now let's consider the potential for inter-universe travel. The idea of hopping from one universe to another is a staple of science fiction. Yet, if parallel universes do exist, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Scientists like Stephen Hawking have even proposed theories about how this could happen. It's tantalizing to think that we might one day be able to meet our other selves or experience different realities. Of course, these implications also come with ethical quandaries. If we can travel between universes, what's to stop us from interfering with the natural course of events in another universe? What are the moral implications of meeting our other selves? These are questions that we would need to grapple with, should the existence of parallel universes be confirmed. Moreover, the existence of parallel universes could have profound implications for our understanding of reality. It would challenge our perceptions of singularity, uniqueness, and individuality, and could lead to a radical rethinking of our place in the cosmos. As we can see, the implications of parallel universes can be as mind-boggling as the concept itself. Now that we've explored the concept of parallel universes, let's wrap things up. On this journey, we've delved into the intriguing notion of parallel universes, a theory that challenges our understanding of reality and the universe we inhabit. It's a concept that suggests the existence of multiple universes, each with its unique set of laws and characteristics, coexisting alongside ours, unseen and untouched. We've considered the scientific theories that underpin this idea. Quantum mechanics, the ever-puzzling field of science, leads the charge with its interpretation of superposition and the multiverse theory. It proposes that all possible outcomes of a quantum event, no matter how improbable, are realized in some universe. In our discussion, we've also ventured into the realms of string theory, a theoretical framework where the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional objects called strings. This theory, in its own unique way, also provides a platform for the existence of parallel universes. We've pondered over the implications of parallel universes, a topic that's as exciting as it is complex. If they do exist, what does it mean for us? Could we ever interact with these other universes? Or are they forever beyond our reach, their secrets locked away from us? These are questions that scientists and theorists grapple with, trying to bridge the gap between reality as we know it and the tantalizing possibilities of what might be. In the grand scheme of things, the concept of parallel universes may seem quite abstract, even far-fetched. Yet, it's these very ideas that push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. They force us to reconsider our place in the cosmos, to question our assumptions, and to seek answers beyond the known. Whether or not parallel universes exist, contemplating them certainly provides food for thought. Who knows? Maybe in another universe, you're the one explaining this concept to me.